Here's a wee tutorial for I Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis. Some ones use a capo for higher pitching. I tend to play it without. It sounds similar to the original. You can throw the capo or capo onto the first fret if you wish. It's up to you. Strum patterns, I use mainly multiple down strums. And on my fourth beat each time I hit the strings a little bit harder. That's all I really do. If you hear that, you're wondering, what am I doing? It's just emphasising the fourth beat just a little bit harder. I just use my nails sometimes. You can use, I have a wee plectrum here, use it. It's entirely up to you. Now, the chords are C, G, E minor, B7, A minor, F, major 7, and D minor. So that's C, G, E minor, B7, A minor, F major 7, and D minor. Now, I know a couple of those chords might be a little bit tricky for beginners, but take your time, practice them, and you'll get there. The D minor particularly, it's a bit of a stretch, just right down here. But it does sound nice when you get going. I'm going to start off singing the chords and some of the words here now so you know where the chords come in. The main verse at the start, or the pre-chorus, and then I'll sing the main chorus, where it starts off in the song, wise men say, that part, it's the next part of the song which sounds similar to that. It's the exact same, just different words. And the little bit where it sings, like a river flows surely to the sea, that part, when it comes into those, it's just the exact same repeating again. But I'll show you in a wee second what I mean by that. So I'll start off here on the C. So, and I'm just going to do little single strums here, sort of roughly, to get you through it. So start off on the C, and then go to E minor. So here we go. Wise, E minor, A minor, to an F. Only fools to a C, to a G. Into an F, but G can't, A minor, an F, falling in C, G, C, stay in C, and shall, E minor stay, would it F, C, an F, I, G, A minor, and F, N, C, G, C. Here we go to the next part. E minor, river B7, E minor to the B7, E minor to the B7. Some E minor are meant to D minor, G, and C. Take E minor, A minor, and take my F, C, life, G2. That's really it. That's just restarting the same thing as you played in the pre-chorus. When you take my hand, it's playing the exact same things you played at the start, like wise men say. It's all the same chords repeated. So it's the pre-chorus, unless you're playing two or like a river flows, the chords are just repeated. Each verse is repeated and repeated exact same way, and the same way like a river flows. It's E minor, B7, just that pattern, and just two. That's only two different variations in the song, but it's not too difficult to learn. Now, I'll give that a wee run through here. I'll put the wee plectrum on so you can hear it nicely strumming out in the chord. I'll turn around and you can see my hand just doing the little strums. So I'll start off in a C, E minor, A minor, and so on, and then I'll come into like a river flows. But it's just repeated throughout the song. You'll know when you hear it. You understand when or you're singing the song or listen to the record. It sounds very similar. So hopefully it'll help you. And here we go. Here we go. So it's just like that there, just over and over. Repeat it. The two different types of playing. And now the only thing I was doing there, which you might be thinking, oh, why is he doing that? Is when I'm going maybe from a C to a G or that, rather than going C and using a 3-finger quickly like that. It's only because I like the 4-finger full G. It sounds nicer, but it's up to you. It's only because I can switch faster. But that will come to you too. If you keep practicing, you'll definitely get the feel for it. And hopefully this really helps you. Please thumbs up and likes and shares. You really don't know how much I appreciate the likes and shares. If it's not up to your standard or you don't like it, give me a feedback and say what I'm doing wrong so I can make it better or make future videos better for you. And I'm just trying to help you guys, and it's doing this and giving back to you, you know. I get nothing for it, but they always say it's nice to give, so I'm giving. And it's nearly Christmas, by the way. So I wish you guys the best at Christmas, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.